First PC build. Oh my God. Can't believe I'm saying that. Finally, after 2.5 years, the market has been crazy for GPUs as most people know it. And I finally got my hand on a GPU for MSRP. And I decided, well, let's go with our first PC build. Um, I got into PCs right around when the pandemic happened, and I wanted to build my first one. Did some research and found out I couldn't get a GPU for a reasonable price. So like most people, I had to overpay for a pre-built, and I wanted to get a 3080, 3090, but went for 37 because my budget at that time was around 2,500. And if GPU prices wasn't as bad as they were, I could have built an excellent PC. I mean, even maybe even a 3090. But to be more realistic, probably a 3080 and got a good motherboard and all the accessories I wanted. But that didn't happen. So I just had to say swallow my pride and decided just to pay for a PC 3070. Got it. Couldn't be more happy with it. Got ripped off. Of course, we already know GPU prices, things like that. So finally, when the prices came down, I decided I want to build a PC, but didn't have as much money as I had previously. I only had around 650 saved up, and I was looking at GPU prices and actually found this one on eBay brand new in its wrapping. That's what the seller said. Brand new in its wrapping. And it was for 339 MSRP. And I wasn't even planning to get it. I actually lowballed him highly. I sent make an offer and I put $300. And like literally minutes after that, it was confirmed. I was shocked. I was like, I hope I'm not getting ripped off. But just like he said, it came in with its original packaging, with the wrap on it. And I only took the wrap off because I had to test it out previously. And yeah, so once I got that, and with taxes and shipping, it came out to 335, but that's all right. I decided, well, I got 315 more dollars. Let's see if I can build a PC. Really, when you're doing these things, I guess that's what they call it, budget. $650 is no budget by any means. Like a budget PC can range from, well, this to like $1,200. I don't know how that's budget to a lot of people, but I guess with how high the specs can go, it is a budget. So when I was going, I was looking for Intel. I wanted to get the i5, but settled for the i3 10105F. This doesn't have integrated graphics. That's what the F stands for. But that's fine. And that actually came out to $79.99 even. Uh, then I started with the motherboard. Gigabyte. I knew I had to lowball the motherboard. There's a lot of things you don't want to lowball, and motherboards can be one of those that you don't want to lowball. But I already have a 3070. This PC is just a secondary PC, maybe even going to be used for streaming, something like that. But that's all right. So I definitely had to lowball this and actually found this online without an IO shield for $50. And I don't have an IO shield. I actually had to get creative, and I bought one of these mesh ones and just decided I was gonna cut it out holes for it. And actually, surprisingly, I checked it out a little earlier. It works. It actually works. If you want to cut it, I don't use regular scissors. These are actually scissors to cut flowers, and they're precision scissors, very sharp. And you just snip one piece at a time, and actually came out still sturdy. And we're gonna hook it up and put it in. Like I said, it did work when I first tried it. We're gonna give it a second go once I build this out. So realistically, this PC is a $700 PC. I did get all these parts for $650 because I didn't have to get the RAM sticks. Which the RAM sticks I was looking for was around $54, was $49.99. But I remember I had these RAM sticks from the pre-built that I bought. I actually upgraded those RAM sticks, so I had these and I could save money. And all the price in total came out to $617 without the RAM kit. Add the RAM kit, that's gonna be $670. And then with the IO shield and a couple other products that you want to buy to hook this up. And the cooler actually comes out to $700 flat. With this right here was 46, and I'm actually adding taxes because if it's not taxed, then it's probably like 660, but that's fine. And then another low ball I had to actually do was with the power supply. All right, this came out to 37 on B&H photos, and it is bronze, so that's good. Bronze 80 plus. It's yeah, it's not modular, so all the cords are gonna be hooked up, and it is 550 watts, so that's a good thing. And then the SD, like I said, was $54. What else? Oh, that's pretty much it. Oh, the case. Always the case. Cases are going to actually run you their natural cost. And this one actually came out to $64, $59.99 on Newegg. And it came with the fans already pre-installed. So that's why I chose it. And it was $54. It was $64. And then yeah, oh, this thing's sticking out right here. It got windows on it. I'm gonna hook on windows. So yeah, we're gonna build this out. We're gonna build this from the bottom up. See what it looks like. No, I forgot the most essential part of building a PC. Your screwdriver. Let me go grab it. I'm back. While I'm back, and I got the screwdriver. There's one thing you need in your screwdriver. You don't need tape. You need your screwdriver. My screwdriver is not working. What we're going to do is we're going to get a handy power tool. Like I said, never use a power tool. Maybe I should have bought an iFixit. Product placement. Never put thermal paste on in my life. All right, definitely need the teardrop. Oh god. That looks decent. I don't know, man. That looks decent. I think I did that one right. I think I did that. Yeah, buddy. Golly. Whew, hope I did that one right. gonna zip tie this to. Oh, good cable management for my first time. I think it is. I'm tired, man. I'm gonna go to his boot cycle. Right, boot cycle. So yeah, uh, I yeah, I don't know how to pose for these things, man. This first PC build, first video. I don't know. Eh, Nice, fantastic, man. I am, man. I am excited. I finally got to build my first PC because the GPU shortage is over. Uh, Quotation marks, because like I said, your next series are coming, and I am actually going to do a little thing like that. I actually got to download Windows on this thing already. I'm downloading the games right now. Gonna test out them games, see the FPS on them. That's actually gonna be in another video with some rants about the new about should you buy a PC now or should you wait for the 40 series? I know a lot of people have their own takes, and I'm gonna give mine, but this right here is my first baby, my first make. Uh, it cost me $650 because, like I said, I didn't have to pay for the RAM. Other than that, it is a $700 build. It is gonna cost you $700 if you want to buy extra attachments to go along with it or any extra things that you need. It will cost $700. That's why I'm saying $700. And if you actually go with everything except for like, if you just stack on the CPU cooler, the stock CPU cooler, you save $20 there. Like I said, I could afford to buy just a little extra stuff, and it still came out to $650. So I'm still excited about that. But in all reality, this is a $700 build, um, and we're gonna see if it's worth it during the game setups. But yeah, man, I enjoyed making it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope that y'all actually go out there and build your own PCs, build your own setups. It wasn't an in-depth tutorial because it's my first one. I don't know how to do this stuff. I just got to building, or I just got into PCs 2.5 years ago, right when the pandemic hit, and this is the first time I can actually build a PC. So I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I hope that you guys go out there too, and I hope that you guys build your own PCs and y'all do your things. But me, thanks for watching. All the parts are in the description. And you're going to have, the last thing I said, you're going to have to search for your deals. Like I said, my motherboard was $50. The two main deals I got was motherboard $50 and the PSU I got, that was for $37. The power supply that I got for $37. Technically, I also got the graphics card on a deal, but because of shipping and because of taxes, it's gonna cost you about the same. It's gonna cost you about the same, maybe a $5-10 difference. But everything else you can get on deals. You find what you want to do. You might want to actually up the motherboard. I already have a gaming PC, so the motherboard wasn't on my main to-do list. I really just wanted to put a PC together, and I put it on my budget. And I know a lot of people out there have budgets because PCs are not cheap. 650. It's funny. It blows my mind how I keep saying it's a budget PC, and it cost me $650, and it could cost up to $700. And to me, that is that is mortgage. That's my mortgage. One mortgage payment bought this PC. That's a budget. That is a budget for you. But if you do feel like this is the time for you to get a PC, be my guest. If you want to wait for the next series of cards to come out, then I'm all for it because that's what I'm gonna do. Uh, Actually, I might actually build another PC, a cheaper PC, for my mother-in-law around $350. That might come during my bonus, and it's gonna be a surprise. So, shh. But other than that, thank y'all for watching, and yeah, if if they can do it, and then I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it. Or is that how it goes? If I can do it, you can do it. I guess that's the outro. See you next time.